morning children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to teach you the fundamental operations of money topic. Fundamental operations. What are the fundamental operations? Addition, subtractions, multiplications, division. These are the fundamental operations, children. In that first we will do the additions here. Come on, have a look at the addition numbers here. First they are given here 64 rupees 15 pice and 5 rupees 05 pice and 18 rupees 80 pice and 25 rupees 45 pice. These are the numbers which we have to add. Come on, let's add here rupees number. Now let's start the addition from here. 5 plus 5 here, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 0 10, 10 plus 5 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 now children, here 5 here and 1 carry on it. 1 carry on the before. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 8 2 after 8 children. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we are adding here 2 plus 8 is 10. Now 10 after next 4, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 no children here, 4 here and 1 carry on it. Okay. And now 1 plus 4, 1 after 4 children, 1 after 4 means 2, 3, 4, 5. So till here we will get the 5 children. Next also we have the 5. So 5 after next to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are getting here till here 10. 10 after next to 8. 10 after next to 8 is 10 plus 5. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 5. So 18 after 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 18 plus 5 is 23. So 23 means 3 here and 2 carry. Yes. Now 2 plus 6 is 2 after next 6. 2 after next 6 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 after next 6 is 8. 8 after next 1, 9. 9 after next 2. So 10, 11. So we are getting here 11 when we are adding this one. So what will be the answer here? 113 rupees 45 pice. The given addition is, sum is 113 rupees 45 pice. Now coming to the second problem here, add 15 rupees 75 pice and 6 rupees 85 pice. They have given here only two numbers here. We have to add this number with this number, okay? Only two numbers has given and rupees and pice has a column for that both numbers. So I am taking here up beside also you can take rupees. First number is 15 rupees 75 pice and second number is 6 rupees 85 pice. Let's add these numbers. Now 5 plus 5. 5 after next to 5 means 10. Okay. So 0 here and 1 carry. Now 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 after next to 8. 8 after next to 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8 after next to 8 is 16. So 6 here and 1 carry here. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 after next to 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 here and 1 carry. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. So the sum is 22 rupees 60 pice. The sum is 22 rupees 60 pice. Coming next operation is subtraction, children. See, subtraction here. 5 minus 5. Okay. So from 5 minus 5, same number we are subtracting means we'll get the 0 here. And 1 minus 7. Okay. 1 minus 7 means from 1 we can't we can't subtract the 7, children. Why? Because 1 is smaller than the 7. So we need to take the borrow from the before. Before nothing but from the 8. When I am taking here borrow, the 8 will become 7, children, which is before, and the 1 will become 11. Okay. Now 11 minus 7, or else you can start counting from 7 to reach the 11. 7 2 means 8, 9, 10, 11. We are getting here 4, or else 11 minus 7 also you will get the 4 only. So here. Now 7 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract 7 minus 8? No. So we need to take the borrow. Why? Because 7 is smaller than the 8. So it's impossible to subtract. So we need to take the borrow here. So it will become 17 and it will become 5. Yes, 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 you can subtract, or you can start counting from 8 to 17. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. When I am reaching the 17 here, to reach the 17 I require the 9 numbers. So here I am writing the 9. Now 5 minus 2, or else 2, you can start counting from 2 to 5. 2 after 3, 4, 5. So we are getting the 3 numbers, or else 5 minus 2 also you will get 3. And this down we don't have any digit, children. So 2 minus 0 nothing but 2 itself. Okay. So what is the amount here? 239 rupees 40 pice. Okay. Coming to this problem here. Now 1000 rupees 80 pice and 745 rupees 85 pice we need to subtract. Okay. So here first 0 minus 5. Is it possible to subtract, children, 0 minus 5? No. So we need to take the borrow here. So it will become 10 and it will become 7. Yes. Now 10 minus 5, or else you can start counting from 5 to reach the 10. 5 after here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are getting we require the 5 numbers to reach the 10, or else 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 7 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract 7 minus 8? No. So we need to take the borrow. From what? From before. But before also we have the 0. Here also we have 0. Here also we have 0. But so we require the borrow. We can take the borrow from this digit. Okay. So when I am taking the borrow from this digit to this digit, here it will become 0. And here it will become 10. And if I am taking the borrow, here it will become 9. And here it will become 10. Still I require the borrow. So it will become 9 and it will become 10. Yes, if I am taking the borrow here, it will become 9 and it will become 17. Okay, now 17 minus 8. 8 after you can start counting here. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I reach the 17, children. Here to reach the 17 I require these many numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers. Okay, so here I am writing here 9. So 9 minus 5 here. 9 minus 5. Is it possible, children? 9 minus 5. So or else possible. 9 is bigger than the 5. So 9 minus 5 you can do, or else you can start counting from 5 to reach the 9. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 numbers are required to reach the 9. So 4 here. Now 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 means you can start counting from 4 to reach the 9. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I reach the 9. So to reach the 9 I require the 5 numbers. Okay. Now 9 minus 7. So 7 after you can start. 7 after 8, 9. 2 numbers are required, children. So 2. And here nothing is there now here. 0 minus 0 is 0. So what will be the answer to this? Here 254 rupees 95 pice. Okay. So this is the way to addition and subtraction in money topic. Yes, let's continue the next fundamental operations, which are multiplications and divisions. Okay, first multiplications. Here what they given here, 9 rupees 30 pice. We have to multiply by the 8. Okay, come on, let's multiply here. 8 zeros are 0. Everyone knows the 8 table, no children? 8 zeros are 0. 8 threes are 24 children. So 24 means 4 here we are writing, and 2 we are taking as a carry. Okay. Now 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72, and you need to add the next carry. 72 plus 2, 73, 74. Okay. 74. Here we don't have the next digit to take the carry, children. So 74 I am writing as it is here. And in the question here 2 digits before point. So here also we need to keep the 2 digits before point. And this is a rupees. So what will be the product of this here? 74 rupees 40 pice. So product of 9 rupees 30 pice into 8 is 74 rupees 40 pice. Coming to this problem here, the given question is 42 rupees 05 pice. We need to multiply by the 7 here. Okay. Now 7 fives are 35 children. So 35 means 5 we are taking here, and this next 3 we are taking as a carry on the before digits. Okay. Now we need to multiply the 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 here. 1, 2, 3. 0 plus 3 is 3 itself, children. So 3 I am writing here. Next. 7 twos are 14. 14 is 2 digit number, no children. So 4 here and 1 carry here. After this you can cancel this. Now 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 1, 29. Okay, so 29 I am writing here. Yes, children, 29 and rupees. And here 2 digits before point. Now here also I kept the 2 digits before point. So what is the product of these two numbers here? 294 rupees and 35 pice. Okay, 294 rupees and 35 pice. Division. Next problem is division, children. Okay, so how to do the division here? Already you know the normal division, children. Here also same like this only. Now this is the given first number. This number we are dividing now. So 555 rupees and 45 pice will be the dividend, and 5 table will be the divisor. Okay. So here let's take that 555.45. We are dividing by the 5 table. Okay. Now how many digits we need to do? First step, what you need to do, children, here? First you need to check. First digit is, compare the first digit and divisor, children. So first digit and divisor will be the same. If they are the same, so you need to do the division in the first step with the only one digit. Okay, so here same we have. Greater also you need to do the division by the one digit only here. So same digits we have. So 5 ones are 5 we get. When you get in the table, 5 ones are 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. And let's take the next digit 5. Again 5 ones are 5. 0. And next digit here. 5 ones are 5. 0. I am taking the next digit down, children. 4. Okay. But the 4 is digit point after digit. So we need to keep the point in the quotient place. Okay, whatever the point is there in the dividend, that point you need to keep into the quotient place. Now 4 will not come into the 5 table. So 5 zeros are, you can take 5 zeros are 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4, and you can take the next digit here 5. So 45. 5 nines are 45. 0 0. So this will be the remainder, and this will be the quotient. So what will be the answer of this here? You can take here 111 rupees 09 pice. Okay. So answer of the division of this 555 rupees and 45 pice when you are dividing by the 5. So you will get here 111 rupees 09 pice. Yes, children, I hope you understood the addition, fundamental operations in the money topic, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Come on, let's do the worksheet on that. Add. 3 rupees 40 paise, 12 rupees 60 paise, 217 rupees 75 paise, and 186 rupees 45 paise. Okay, so these all numbers you arrange in columns and later you add. Okay, and next subtract 810 rupees 85 paise minus 673 rupees 60 paise. You need to subtract these two numbers. Okay, and coming to third problem, multiply 175 rupees 35 paise by 6. You arrange these numbers in column, children. This is the first number and this is the second number. So arrange in columns and multiply. Coming to division here, 1623 rupees 84 paise. You need to divide by the 3 table, children. Okay, and here you see, children, first two problems, only first two problems for first class and second class children. Okay, only first two problems, first and second class. Okay, only first two problems for first class and second class, and all problems for third to fifth, third, fourth and fifth classes. All problems. Yes, as a worksheet, children. Once again, I am repeating, only first two problems for first class and second class children, and all first, second, third, fourth. 4 problems for third to fifth classes children. Okay. Thank you, children.